In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart in Miro. Miro is a fantastic tool for collaboration, whether you're working with a team remotely or organizing your own projects visually. Adding charts is a powerful way to present data, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, head over to Miro.com, where you'll find the login option displayed prominently. Click on the login button, and you'll be prompted to sign in. You have the choice to sign in using either your email or your Google account. If you're unfamiliar with Miro, you may need to create an account first, but for this tutorial, let's assume you already have one. Click on Continue with Email to proceed through the sign-in step efficiently. After signing in, you'll need to locate your board. This is the space where all your projects and ideas are visually organized. Once you've opened your board, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a plus button. This button is your gateway to adding various elements to your board, including charts, so go ahead and click on it. With the menu open, the next step is to search for charts. Miro provides a variety of templates and options, making the selection process straightforward. Choose the chart type that best suits your needs and set it onto your board by simply clicking on it. You'll see it appear on your workspace ready for customization. Now that you have your chart on the board, the next step is to personalize it. Click on the chart to bring up the editing options. You'll notice 3 dots appearing somewhere around your chart. Clicking on these dots will provide you with further options. Click on Edit, which allows you to start tailoring your chart to your specific project. Begin by entering a title for your chart. This is essential because a clear title helps convey the purpose or theme of the data you're presenting. With the basics in place, dive into the details by editing the values and labels according to what you need. Remember, keeping your data organized and clear will aid in communication and understanding among anyone who views your board. If you realize there's a missing piece of data, don't worry, Miro makes it simple to add another value when needed. Just follow the existing structure of your chart to ensure consistency. Finally, boost the visual appeal of your chart by showing its title. Look for the toggle option to display the title of the chart, giving your audience an at-a-glance understanding of the data you're presenting. There you have it. You've successfully added and customized a chart in Miro. Now you can use this feature to make your presentations more dynamic and informative. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped simplify the process for you.